Okay, sir, I would like to buy those 3 items.
Okay.
Ring me up, please. I'm in a hurry.
Okay. $1. This says $1.
$1.
And then 15 cents. Oh. Oh, 15.
Mm-mm.
15? 15? Oh, yeah.
15 cents.
And then 49.
$19.45.
What's my total, sir?
Your total is $20.60.
Here's my money.
Charge.
Thanks.
Come on, sir, I'm in a hurry. No, you have to put...
$25. And then...
Your change is $4.40. Thank you.
And then open. And then... I'll have to be in a hurry. Alright. We'll start with some 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you go.
You gave me all dimes?
Yeah, 40 cents is 4 dimes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.